Hello, YouTube. I am here with another video. I just got off of work and I want to come on here and do my Ipsy unboxing for you. So, let's see. This is my first time getting the Ipsy Glam Box Plus. And let's see what we got here. So this is a monthly subscription. This is $25 and you get 5 products that they send to you every month. So when you open the box, it looks like this. It says, "Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you." Ipsy Glam Plus. Has this little blue thing in here. And let's just go over our 5 items that we got for the month. So it comes with this little Ipsy Glam bag plus pamphlet. Tells you about all the items. So let's see. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is called Candy Johnson Pure Lease Buttermeat Orange Creamsicle Body Butter. So we got a body butter. This is worth $24. So let's open it up. It does have a safety seal on here, so I really like that. Let's see if I can get this open for you guys. I'm not wearing any makeup today, just, you know, smooth day at work. It smells like, it does smell like orange. It does smell like orange cream. So let's try it out. It comes out like that. As you can see, I wouldn't call this a body butter. I would call this a lotion. So you can see that there. This is most definitely a lotion. This is not a body butter. So, I mean, would you pay $24 for a lotion? I certainly wouldn't. So that's this first product here. This is a Buttermeat Orange Creamsicle Body Butter. It's supposed to smooth and hydrate, nourishes, and deeply moisturize. So it smells really good. Oh, okay, so the benefits of this, it says it has coconut oil in to soften and nourishes the skin. It has orange in it to rejuvenate dull skin. It has vanilla, calms the skin with its anti-inflammatory benefits. Sugarcane gently exfoliates dead skin cells. Fruit extract promotes elasticity, clarity, and skin suppleness. It has mongogo seed and moringa oil, helps prevent skin aging. It has kupaku seed and shea butter, smooths skin and deeply moisturizes. So it's a lotion. You guys know how to use a lotion. We don't have to go into that. So that was the first thing. The second thing that I'm going to open up for you guys is this Wondrous Seascape Eyeshadow Palette by Wonder Beauty. So let me go ahead and open this up. This is a nice eyeshadow palette. It looks like it's gonna have some good colors in here. So see if I can open this up for you. Okay. Now this is hard to open. Oh my goodness. Alright, so by Wonder Beauty, it's called the Wondrous Seascape, and it's an eyeshadow palette. And if you open it here, these are the shades that we got. It has this nice little pretty mirror right here. And I'm going to do some swatches for you. The first color is Champagne Harbor. That actually looks really nice. So let's do that on my skin right here. Can you see that? Champagne Harbor. Okay. Looks like that. The next one we're going to swatch is called Sea Salt. Use a different finger here. And that is, I mean, these colors to me are not that pigmented. It looks like I'm going to have to get this on, I'm going to have to do a couple tries. This is the second one here. It's called Sea Salt. I do like these colors though. So this one is the Champagne Harbor. This one is the Sea Salt. I know it's hard to really to see it. This one is called Golden Reef. So it literally looks like my skin, the Golden Reef one. So yeah, Golden Reef. And then we have Sand Dollar, which is a matte. This is the only matte one in the whole entire thing. So there's the Sand Dollar. I gotta get better with these swatches because this is all over the place. I done got this on this arm, which you can see it a little bit better. Got some on this arm. This one is Sea Foam. Let's try it. Maybe the arm's not a good place to swatch, but this is the Sea Foam right here. This is the Sand Dollar. And then the last one is Coastal, which is this nice, pretty blue color. So let's do that one up here. And that is the Coastal one right here, this nice, pretty blue. So that's the eyeshadow palette by Wonder Beauty. I'm excited about that. Our next, oh, I forgot to tell you guys how much that was worth. Let me see. The eyeshadow palette is worth $25. Okay. All right. So the next thing we got are, I believe this is a set. It's Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleansing Mask, and you get 3 of them. So I got these. I love getting masks in my subscription boxes. So I'm excited about these little masks here. These masks are worth about, oh, okay. So they're $27 for all 3. So it is a set, I believe. It's a set. The next thing that we have here that I can't wait to try is I want to say it's Il Makiage Encore Volume All Day Lasting and Water Resisting Mascara. So that's what this is. I already have a little bit of mascara on right now, so I am not going to try that for you. Packaging looks like this. You open this up, and here we have this little wand here. I can tell you guys already that I don't like the way the wand looks, but that's not to say that it's not a good product. So I'm going to try it out. In another video, I'll do a review. I'll try these products out for you guys, let you know how I feel about them. So that is this mascara. I like getting mascaras. I'm still trying different mascaras out to see which one I like. So this mascara is worth $25. So as you can tell already, we have already exceeded the full amount of the box. So the last thing that comes in this box is, I don't know, Ilimasqua. I want to say it's called Ilimasqua. Coloring pencils. These are lip pencils. We have one in Lust and we have one in Media. So let's open up the Lust one. Oh, I can get it out the packaging without, okay. So this is Lust here. And I'm going to swatch that for you guys. This is a lip pencil. That is the color Lust. It's cute. It's a cute little color. I will give it that. It's cute. If you're feeling real lusty, grab your little lip pencil out. You know, you're going out on a date. Grab your little pencil out, you know. I mean, you got to find some lipstick to use it with, but at least you have it. The other one is called Media, which is a little lighter in color. So let me try and get this out. Media right here. I like this color. It's a nice pink. I'm going to swatch that for you guys. And that looks like that. This one is the Media here, and this one is the Lust. So, I mean, these are very similar. One is just darker than the other. I'm not really too excited about this box. I mean, there's a couple things in here that I'm happy about, but it didn't really wow me. I mean, I could do without the lip pencils, really. I can do without the body lotion, the $24 body lotion. Nobody is paying. If you're paying $24 for a body lotion, I'm sorry. You need to find something else to buy. Anyway, but do whatever you want with your money. So with this Ipsy Glam box, I did request some extra products. You do have that option. The second of the month, after you after they place your order, you have the option to choose 3 full size or 3 small size for an additional cost. The full size products are $12 each. The small size, I believe, are, I want to say $6 each or $3 each. Maybe they're $3 each. But let me go ahead and show you guys what I got that was extra. I got this velvet liquid lipstick. Here it is, the packaging. The packaging is really cute. I wish I would have just got something like this in my regular Ipsy box. This is called FOMO. And the company that makes this is Ola Neon. I've never heard of this company before. So this is the color here. This is a really, really pretty color. And the packaging is really, really pretty. I really like this. I'm actually going to use it right now. Let me swatch it first to see. It might go with that. Okay, here's the lipstick, the liquid lipstick right here. It kind of looks similar to this. So maybe if I use that together, might have something. Let me just go ahead and put this on real quick for you guys. It is very creamy, I must say. This is supposed to be a matte. Let's see. I guess I could use the lip pencil with this, but oh, this is cute. Okay. Okay. This is cute. I'm feeling this. Yes, honey. Yeah, I'm feeling this lipstick. Let me just, you know, while I'm here, I might as well go ahead and pull this lust out and get her going on top of it. And let me see what I can create real quick. Let me see with this lip pencil. I mean, lip pencils really are not my thing, honestly. But I can do something with this. I can definitely create a look. I could create a look with this. This is real cute, actually. So let me go back and talk about these lip pencils that we have, okay? Because let me see. I guess lip pencils are supposed to be expensive. I don't know. I've never personally went out and bought a lip pencil before. So I mean, for $21 each for the lip pencils, that's not a bad price, because I pay about that for an eye pencil, so that's not bad. Back to the extra products that we got. This was it's called Chic, and it's a blush brush. Looks like this here. It's actually pretty cute. The bristles are really nice and small. Yeah, this is cute. I could do something with this. I don't even wear blush right now. I'm still new to the whole makeup world thing. I have a couple things that I like to do, but I haven't experimented with blush, but we will. The last but not least thing that I got, it's by Bella Pierre Cosmetics, and it's an HD finishing powder. It's supposed to be high definition translucent powder. So I hope it's sealed. Please be sealed on the inside, dear Lord. Okay, yeah, it's sealed on the inside. It has this little little thing right here, this little pouchy thing, and I can't wait to try this. This should be interesting. I'm glad I got these products. I'm kind of disappointed in the Ipsy box itself. For this being my first Ipsy box, I just feel like the products that I got in it were pretty basic. If I wanted to get good products that I liked, I pretty much had to add them in myself. But yeah, this lipstick is really doing it for me. Like, it is matte. I'm wondering if it transfers. It hardly ever transfers. So this lipstick is a win for me. I will see you guys in the next video. I'll be back to talk about my Ipsy Glam bag that I am still currently waiting for. But I'm glad I got this box today. I'm glad I was able to review this for you. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you want to see more videos, please like this video. Please hit the subscribe button. And please share my videos. And
I don't know. Bye.